Did you know that tucked away on the southwest coast of Jamaica lies a town that once led the entire island in technology, trade, and transformation? A place where history still whispers through old Georgian buildings, and where a quiet river holds centuries of secrets beneath its dark water? Welcome to Black River, the capital of St. Elizabeth, a town that became the first in Jamaica to receive electricity, one of the first to own a motor car, and a gateway for merchants from all over the world. Long before highways and airports connected Jamaica, Black River was already glowing with innovation. And the river itself? It's more than beautiful scenery. Its deep, mysterious waters have carried stories of crocodiles, merchants, maroons, fishermen, and travelers for generations. It is one of the longest rivers in Jamaica, flowing gently through mangroves, wildlife, and memories. Today, you're about to step into a piece of Jamaica that many overlook, a place where the past and present walk side by side. This is Black River.
Black River, the capital of St. Elizabeth, stands as one of Jamaica's most historic and culturally rich towns. Situated on the island's southwest coast, this quiet yet significant settlement has played a major role in Jamaica's economic, social, and cultural development for over 2 centuries. A town built on history, founded in the 18th century, Black River quickly became one of Jamaica's most important ports. During the height of the sugar and logwood industry, ships from Europe and North America would dock along its famous wharf to trade goods. By the late 1800s, Black River was known as one of the most technologically advanced towns in the Caribbean. It proudly became the first town in Jamaica to have electricity, and one of the first places on the island to have motor cars and telephone services, the famous Black River itself. The town gets its name from the Black River, a slow-moving waterway with naturally dark, peat-stained water. This river stretches over 53 kilometers, making it one of Jamaica's longest rivers. Today, it is most famous for its ecotourism attractions, especially the peaceful Black River safari tours. Visitors glide along the river in boats, taking in a blend of mangrove forests, exotic birds, and the star attraction, Jamaican crocodiles, which rest along the riverbank's culture, community, and heritage. Black River is more than history and nature. It is a living community with deep cultural roots. Residents are known for their warmth, storytelling traditions, and strong ties to fishing and farming. The town square, old Georgian-style buildings, and historic courthouse still preserve much of the original architecture, giving visitors a sense of stepping back into Jamaica's past. The community celebrates a rich heritage of resilience and innovation. From its early involvement in Jamaican commerce to being a pioneer in modern technology on the island, Black River remains a symbol of progress built on strong cultural foundations. Modern Black River today is a blend of history and everyday Jamaican life. Fishermen still bring in fresh seafood from the nearby coastline. Students fill the streets on school mornings. Tourists explore the river, the beautiful beaches, and nearby natural wonders like the YS Falls. Though quieter than Jamaica's major cities, Black River continues to be a place where history, culture, and nature coexist in harmony. Thank you for watching. Please to like, share, and comment. Also, if you want to hear more of Jamaican's history, please to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified when a next content is posted. Until next time, walk good.